Hello students, so your question is smell comes if we have a dilution of dash. Our first option is salt in water, second option is sugar in water, our third option is Dettol in water, and our last option is none of these. So students, do you know what do we mean by dilution? So let me give you the definition of dilution. So students, dilution is the process of decreasing the concentration of a solute in a solution by adding more solvent without adding more solute. Okay students, as you all know students, sugar and salt does not have any smell. So students, if we come to our third option, that is Dettol in water, so students, it will be our correct option, because students, yes, the smell normally comes if we have a dilution of Dettol in water, because students, it diffuses in whole water during mixing. As students, the particles of matter are very small in size. Therefore, when we mix a few droplets of Dettol in the water, the whole water gives the smell of Dettol. Even a small amount of Dettol contains millions of tiny particles, students, which kept on dividing on each dilution. So even after dilution, this water gives the smell of Dettol, since the small particles of Dettol occupy the space between the entire water particles. Okay students, so I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day.